Dear viewers, are you looking to add a touch of creativity to your home? Look Up Your Ceiling is the perfect canvas to showcase your style and personality. Here are some of creative ceiling design ideas to inspire you. Is the focal point of any room in your home. Ceiling designs are an incredibly important tools for creating a positive, warm and welcoming home environment. Like most other elements in your home, ceiling design are not a one-size-fits-all solution, and rooms with varying aesthetics, spaces and sizes will all require different ceiling design alternatives. When it comes to deciding on the ceiling design that best fit your home, there are a handful of items you are going to want to keep in mind. First of all, you need to determine the type of atmosphere you are hope to create in each room. Given the multitude of ceiling design options available, spaces large and small will benefit from the use of different styles. For example, large rooms will pair well with grand ceiling designs such as a dome or cathedral ceilings, where smaller spaces will benefit from the likes of trays and exposed ceilings. That said, rooms both large and small will benefit from stretched ceilings as they provide a modern design that is not bound by space. On the second number, you are going to want to consider the type of lighting each room will require, as that will weigh on the potential benefits of each ceiling style. Whether you are interested in pot lights or a chandelier, there is a ceiling style suitable. It will in most cases, however, be up to you and your renovation specialist to determine which fits best. To leave a lasting impression on guests, you are going to want to invest in unique home ceiling designs. Finding design styles that match your home aesthetic may not always be easy. However, most traditional ceiling styles, such as the cathedral, exposed beam and the like, will be suitable for most home environments. If you are looking to create a more personal, lasting ceiling design, you are going to want to take advantage of stretched ceiling solutions, as they will allow you to customize the experience of every room in your home. Below are a few unique ceiling design ideas to consider for each of the major rooms in your house. To create an elegant kitchen experience, you are going to want to opt on the side of airiness. In order to succeed in this effort, you will want to opt for open surface ceilings such as exposed and cathedral ceiling types. Alternatively, the use of a light colored stretched ceiling will also provide a wonderfully airy environment that can be changed should the design style alter over time. Your dining room should be a beautiful space outfitted with a luxury ceiling design. To make the most of this area, look at using dome, beamed or recessed ceiling styles. Alternatively, a stretched ceiling with an elegant print on it may also do the trick. Your living room is a space designed for comfort. As such, your ceiling should to create an airy comfort. Utilize beam exposed or waffle ceilings to maximize the space. Alternatively, the use of a dark or neutral color stretch ceiling will also help to create a wonderfully welcoming living space. As the most private room in your home, bedrooms are a space for full creativity. Utilize the beautiful design style of the cathedral beamed, coffered, or waffle ceiling style to create truly unique spaces. Alternatively, you can take advantage of room owner's specific design on a stretch ceiling surface, creating a bedroom that is truly unique to the individual who calls it theirs. Coffered ceiling. Add depth and dimension with beautiful coffered ceiling that can give a luxurious touch to any room. Tray ceilings. Create a sense of elegance and sophistication with tray ceilings that can add a modern and stylish look to your space. Wood-beamed ceilings. Bring a rustic charm to your home with exposed wood-beamed ceilings that can add warmth and character to any room. Wallpaper ceilings. Make a statement with wallpapered ceilings that can add a pop of color and pattern to your space without overwhelming it. Tin ceilings. Add a touch of vintage flair with tin ceilings that can bring a unique and timeless look to your home. Painted ceilings. Get creative with painted ceiling that can add a bold and dramatic element to your space, whether it's a solid color or a mural. Cove ceilings. Create a soft and subtle look with the cove ceiling that can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. Skylight ceilings. Bring a natural light and open up your space with skylight ceiling that can make any room feel bright and airy. Fiber optic ceilings. Create a starry night sky in your home with fiber optic ceiling that can add a touch of magic and wonder to any room. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration. Thank you.